What's up guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This video is on this Honeywell respirator. This is a full face respirator by Honeywell. I'm using the Honeywell organic vapor cartridges. This is pretty much for when you're spraying chemicals. Nice thing about this is you could adjust it 5 ways, 3 on top, 2 on the side to your face. Easy to put on. You can't wear your glasses when you're using this because it's going to break the seal and it's going to be useless if you do. So you just pull it over your face just like that, and then you can adjust it. You can adjust it on the top, on the side. Usually I like to do the top a little bit. You can do the sides a little bit, and then you can do the upper sides a little bit too. And when it's on like that, you can cover the holes, breathe in, and that's pretty much on. You can go throughout the whole day spraying chemicals and stuff like that, and it's not going to get in. And then taking it off is very easy. You just lift the tabs over here, and then on the side, and you can just peel it off just like that. For the whole kit, it's $252 on Amazon. I'll post a link on the description. But yeah, if you're spraying anything, say on the ceiling or stuff like that, where stuff is gonna fall on your face, you don't want to get any of those chemicals in your eyes. Honeywell's full face respirator is gonna be the thing to do. Hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.